my name is Sandy and I'm with the National Hanger Company. And today I'm going to be showing you how to use our folding boards. All right, so you're going to take your folding board, line it up at the rim of the neck, fold it over, and then do the other side. Take the bottom and flip it over. Flip it over and take it out, and you're done. Now I'm going to show you with the larger folding board, which I'm going to use for a sweater. Take the sweater, flip it over, nice and flat. You're going to take your folding board, bring it up again to the rim of the shirt, fold it over, and the other side. Take the bottom, flip it over, take the folding board out, and there's your shirt.